Let's see. Are we 10K yet? Nope, not 10K still not 10K. One second, how do I delete this? Move to trash items in your trash. One second. How am I supposed to edit this thing? One second, guys. I'm doing some maintenance work. I promise I'll be coding very soon. Just not yet. Okay. Hello. Oh, Sarab. Hello, Sebastian. Oh, Seb. Yeah, 10K. Yay! All right. I ran out of gin. All right. Here we go. We have 10K, and I have a little more work to do. Endless amounts of work to do. Okay, so we're at 10K. Thank you all for following. There we go. Epicenter podcast. Look at all these fancy new followers. Epicenter needs more love. Definitely. Thanks, Seb. Epicenter podcast is finally following us. What a pleasure. These guys are the OGs of the crypto space, so you make sure you definitely want to follow them. Yeah, they're one of the best. Hold on, but I need to do some. I'm still trying to do some secret stuff. Thanks, Sarab. Thanks for following and watching the stream as well. I'm doing my best to be doing these more often. But I guess the challenge is, what is the challenge? The challenge is that, yeah, I guess my CPU is gonna take me to the moon at this pace. Because the sounds of the rocket ship that is taken off. You probably cannot hear it, but I definitely can feel how my laptop is like slowing down as we speak. Yes. All right. Hold on. What else do I need to do? LinkedIn. How do I? This is 4 minutes. Edit video. What else going on here? Are we maybe 10,001 yet? No, almost there. 10,000 sharp. Please, guys, do not unfollow me. That would be funny, right? Oh fuck. Hold on. I'm almost done. This is what happened here. Live coding. $10K. 1 second. Can you guys still see my? I wonder if you can see my screen. Thanks, Epicenter. Epicenter is really shilling. Crypto jobless, so I must be shilling Epicenter as well. So it's gotta win together at this shilling game. How do I? This is 9 minutes ago. I need to. How do I? All right, okay, fantastic. So now that we accomplished, I think I did some like housework. I was doing some housework. So right now I need to some code base here. Oh fuck! Oh my god. Okay, yeah. We're gonna get back to coding and all the geeky stuff. But give me a moment. See, I'm on dev branch. I'm a responsible developer today. I'm coding in a dev branch, but front end I'm not so responsible. I'm coding on on a master and a push to prod from master. So yeah, it's not for weekends, not for light-hearted people. You're gonna, don't do this at home, kids. Hold on, I need to show myself a little bit more on LinkedIn. But again, it's all the way it will pay off. I will start coding soon, very soon. All right, okay, almost there. Okay, I think I'm pretty much ready for to make more progress on a site. Okay, we are the jobs list. Just hit 10K on Twitter. Jobs list. Follow us for the latest jobs in DeFi, crypto, DeFi, NFT, of course, very important. NFTs, gotta mention NFTs. Anything you do during this bull market, you make sure you mention NFTs, because if you're not into NFTs, what are you even doing? Follow us for latest DeFi NFT industries, right? And the crypto jobs list. Crypto, blockchain jobs, crypto jobs, cryptocurrency jobs, of course, DeFi jobs, NFT jobs. All right, I need to do tada, bam, review, post. Yeah, by the way, using this opportunity, I want to plug in that we are hiring JavaScript developer. Okay, sorry, nothing funny about it. So basically, the ideal person will be saving me from myself, and you guys will be saving production. Oh, we have 10,000 first follower. That is exciting. Hold on, I need to retweet Epicenter podcast. Anyway, I want to say this. This live stream is sponsored by Epicenter podcast. Okay, it's not, but with the support, we support each other. All right, let's get back into. What am I getting back into? Coding. I have no idea what I'm working on today, or do I? Oh, right. Okay. So what I was doing, I was trying to move the newsletter into Strapi. So I started using Strapi recently. Yeah, I guess I'm not sure everything because it's a bit confidential. Alpha alert. But basically, I want to be able to. So I have a second screen, so I'll be looking at it I'm going to be moving stuff to my second screen for anything that is somewhat confidential. So yeah. But yeah, by the way, chat is open. If you guys want to ask questions, please ask questions, and I'll be able to see your comments regardless to where you're watching this, whether it's on Twitter or YouTube or Facebook. Yeah. All right. So we have quite a few people watching, which is super exciting. All right. So here, what I was doing here, I'm trying out this new model newsletter. All right. So it's super simple. It's a newsletter model, right? So we're all going to be posting a story and stuff like that. So I'm just going to be reviewing some, coding is it's super hard to make coding streams exciting because they are, it's hard to code and talk and comment. I'm not sure what psychopaths do that effectively, but maybe maybe Ben Awad, shout out to Ben Awad, this guy. This guy is pretty good. I'm not sure if he like he's got a shit ton of YouTube followers, but oh yeah, shit, 2000K. But yeah, I mean maybe he's good at live streaming and and coding at the same time. But yeah, let's do some testing. One of the challenges of like live coding life is like not to leak too much some like, confidential configs or environmental variables, and like people will abuse it. But from that standpoint of view, it's going to make your whatever you're working on stronger, and it's going to make it more robust, hopefully, because people will try to hack you. But I hope please don't or just like tell me if you see some like if you see some potential security vulnerabilities, just let me know. Okay. Oh, wow, this is new. I cannot handle this. Okay, here we go. So I wanted to, like, I did some upgrades, so I want to change story, article, newsletter. We need to be doing something like this. We're still sponsored by Epicenter, but make sure to follow Crypto Jobs list though. Crypto Jobs list is where it's at. It's where that's where your next crypto job is going to come from, right? Newsletter issue number. Issue number is coming from here. What? Oh, it's a daily test. Sorry, my bad. My bad, ladies and gentlemen. We need to do weekly test. No surprise that it wasn't looking right. Issue newsletter. Promise join. Maybe I should convert this whole thing into JavaScript, because like I guess right now you guys are like, WTF, this guy, why is he coding in CoffeeScript? Why is he coding in CoffeeScript? No one knows. Okay, I do know why. A few years ago, a friend of mine with the same name, Roman, he taught me CoffeeScript. And yeah, I'm actually pretty grateful to him, because I think like when you're being mentored by someone, I think it's really good. So like I would suggest check out Roman Zlatarov. Roman. Okay, since I mentioned him, I need to find him on Twitter. Shout out. Oh. Shit, okay. This guy. Where's his Twitter? Yeah. Wow. This is super cool logo. Anyway, shout out to Roman for teaching me CoffeeScript. He's amazing. All right, what are we doing here? Okay, this is a test. Yeah. Story, newsletter, story. Do you want to convert this into CoffeeScript or not? Well-deserved retweets to Epicenter podcast. What am I doing? Yeah, today actually has been a pretty long day, so I'm kind of tired of living. Streamer please enable stay safe. All right, fine. I don't even remember what I wanted to code on. Newsletters. Maybe I should do like newsletter sign up page, crypto jobs list newsletter. There we go. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. But this is super ugly on mobile, right? Maybe on mobile I just hide this away. See, this looks like shit on mobile. Yeah, maybe okay. Let's for this issue I need to like I started this some time ago, so I need to complete it. So let's do that. Newsletter. Okay, of course, front end is not running. If you guys retweet, I'll talk about you on this stream. All right, are we there yet? There we go. Newsletter module. So the idea here is to make this, to animate this a little bit, right? I want to animate this so that, you know, they look animated. And to probably, I want to maybe start by hiding them on mobile, because on mobile they look like, you know, it's kind of interfering. I'm not sure what else can I be doing on mobile. Like, I haven't been doing design for quite a few years, so yeah. I need to either like get a designer, or yeah, I just need to delegate this to someone, because in mobile this is pretty hard. Mobile media. Gradient. This is the gradient, right? Yeah. So on mobile we can do something like, so this is going from, oh wait, what? Of course, I need to include variables, because otherwise things will break. There we go. Now things are not broken, they're just ugly. Look at this thing. Look at this. What the fuck is that? So this needs to be maybe RGBA. Oh right, also the width needs to be 100%, right? 100. Yeah, maybe something like that. And this can be like 80%, maybe? No, 80% looks pretty shit. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, so, okay, so for mobile version we need to tweak a few things here, because this thing also looks ugly. And, well, not even to mention this. This is like the worst. Look at all these logos. So okay. Newsletter. pictures. Well, I'm yawning. It must be a long day. It must have been a super long day. Alright, so we need to tweak subscribe. So we need to tweak this. Okay, hold on. Wow, how is this even possible? Why is this lazy load? I'm speechless, gentlemen. Oh, of course. It's because of scale. Scaling things down. Now, hold on, one thing at a time. Article. Statistics. How do I... How do I control statistics? Profile picture gradient. Maybe gradient needs to be something like this. Yeah, something somewhere there. Maybe 60 will start by 90% here. Not a bit too noisy. 1%, and but we'll do something like that. How we doing, Twitter? Wow, this is a major achievement. 10K looks way better than like 9,000, right? To the moon! To the moon. Shout out to the amazing companies who are hiring crypto jobs, by the way. I must plug in that, you know, there's plenty of opportunities, don't forget. Don't forget! Look at all these companies. It's an alpha leak. Look. It's crazy, right? Like, look at all these opportunities. You guys should be applying. All right, back to business. Statistics. So how do we apply statistic hero? We have gradient, we have profile pictures, article, and hold on, where's the article? This is the article. For article, we have statistics. Statistics. And we need to use mobile phones. Oh my god, come on. Cursor. Margin top 1 EM. Well, this, of course, just like that, would not work. Because of that, we need to do styles, and then we need to do statistics. Or is statistics widget? Class name. Statistics. And this will not work either. At least not right away, right? Of course not. So statistics, statistic widget, page stats, statistic widget, stats, here it is. And here in props, we need to do something like props, and then maybe something like that, props, but this will, I doubt that this will work either, because this needs to merge. Wow. Well, yeah, of course. So this needs to be thought through better. Class name. I'm deleting this. And here for this class name, we might want to use class names. Package JSON class name. I don't have class names installed. Am I crazy? I need this thing. Look at this. This is the alpha. This is what you use, along with the other 6 million, not users, but like installs, monthly installs. So because of this, we do yarn add There we go. All right, so here, what do we need to do? We need to import class names from class name. Class names, import class names from class names. Funny, right? Funny. Stats. Where's stats widget? There we go. So here, what we want to do, we want to do class name. I think this should work. Format, of course. Magic. Look at this. So 2 class names being generated and applied. So now, what do we just need to do now? Top margin, top 1 view height. Of course it will say FU, Roman, because statistics, maybe which is 10 view height? No. Oh, I think, yeah, see, like this is a bit too low on the priority stack. It's overwritten by something else, margin 0. This is what is overwritten by, margin 0. Important? Do I add important? Oh my god. This is the worst thing to add in ever. Like don't use important, guys. If you're using important, that means that your importance as a developer is rapidly decreasing because you don't know what you're doing. No one should be using important. All right, whatever. Okay, so this looks more or less acceptable, I guess. Now we need to get down to, you know, my face. That is not looking too well, I guess. Article profile picture. Profile pictures. Wait, what? Margin bottom. All right, stats, newsletter. So image, title, margin left. This looks like me. Okay. So class name. Styles. Citer profile pic. Citer profile pic. Let's do it. After article, right? Margin left. 2 EM. This is another piece of terrible code. Don't do this at home. Margin left. Left 0. Yay, okay, success. So on desktop this look good, this should look good, and on mobile this should look good as well. So this should be like 6 EM. 6 EM, fantastic. And on mobile this should look good too. Okay. Let's see, what does my phone say? Anyone messaging me? No one's messaging me. All right. Let's see what's going on Twitter. Let's see how does my CPU feel. My CPU is probably feeling a bit unhappy. Let's see how unhappy is my CPU. It is at 100%, and OBS, of course. Look at this asshole. OBS and Chrome are taking my laptop's soul away. Notifications, no, nothing. Fine. All right, so what do we do here? Here, we need to figure out like a scaling solution. Scalability, blockchain front-end scalability. Arguably, blockchain's front-end scalability, margin bottom 2EM success. And by the way, also another shout out, Ethereum Foundation is looking for exceptional talent. Make sure to apply to Ethereum Foundation. They have grants. They are amazing people. Highly recommend working with them. Style. Okay, so media mentions. Media mentions deserves using stats. They deserve using class names too. Class names React. We need to delete this thing. Import. What? How does this one work? Stats. Media mentions. My God. Class name. Yeah. See, like this is what I'm talking about. This is not how it should be. This should be. Class names, and this should be joined by something like this. Format, huge success. Oh. All right, no one's commenting. Looks alright, I guess. No, yes, no. Yeah, looks kind of alright. Alright, so now we need to decrease the size of images. How are we denominating? Okay, so now we're denominating the height of these things in EM. Alright. Am I right? Justify flex. How do I image? Yeah, maybe I just like if I do something like okay, cybertopic, and now media mentions, and fuck, come on, no. I'm having this problem with which my like second terminal is turning on for whatever reason, without me asking it to get turned on. I don't know why. So if you guys have a solution to that, please help. Styles, media mentions. Alright. What? So okay, here we want to do again a fonts. Font size 5px? No, 10px. Magic. Boom. Looks uglier, but margin top. One view height. Didn't help. 10 EM. Didn't help either. Oh, so there's loading wrapper, and then I see the problem. So all these some libraries like evil, like lazy load wrapper. Why would you do a wrapper like this? Just screws up the library. You should be using like React fragment, guys. It's the best way to do this. Padding top. Kind of. Kind of, sort of. Maybe. Okay, so and now in here, what do we want to do? We wanna maybe decrease the margin. So margin bottom, margin top, margin bottom, margin. Yeah, maybe. So images, img, margin, 0. 0 margin. Well, that didn't help. Margin top. Yeah, kind of. Did it help? Did it not help? Margin 0. No, it doesn't. Did not help. Sadness, sadness. Yeah, kind of make it sound better, but I guess I also what? No, this does not look good at all. So I need to do something like this. 10, maybe 12. Padding top. So padding top, I think it needs to be like universally there. Padding top. Forbes, all these things. Font size maybe 10. Max width maybe oh, hold on, not max width. What? Did I do this? How did I do this? When did this become so ugly? Margin 0. Huh? Wow. Margin. Company logos, media mentions. What if I'll do this? It's gonna help. Oh wow! This did help. It made it stronger and made the more emphasis. Wow, huge success. Okay, let's keep going. So what else can we improve here? We can improve this h1 tag, right? This h1 right now is like mega padding there. And what is this? This is minimal height something with container. Why? Oh, right, height 25 em. 25 em, 25. Huh? What is the what the fuck is this? Gradient. Is it the gradient or is it no? Is it not? Hero. Oh, hero. It's probably hero. Of course. I see. So on mobile, this needs to look. No, not again. God. height, not hate. How are we looking? Okay, much better. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Subscribe to weekly newsletter. Beautiful. That's the version. Also beautiful. Huge success. So now then newsletter. I think later we'll need to be adding like pages so that you can see different pages. Oh, right. I also wanted to add so that these things like animate like randomly. Okay, hold on. We need to commit the current progress. To S. All right, so we also need to make all of these in like we need to turn them into actual circles because some of these are oval, and the way they become oval is a mystery. No, it's not a mystery. It's because the images are like not circle, and I'm just giving radius directly to these images. Right. Okay, hold on. Let's check Twitter engagement. What do people have to say? Nothing. People don't care. Oh no, they do. Awesome. Okay, Alessandro. Hello, Alessandro. Alessandro is the man. He's been giving tips and advice. Alessandro. Okay, so now somehow I need to come up with an idea of like, considering that I had some gin, I'm not exactly... Who is this guy? Oh, I know this guy. This guy looks familiar. He works for Golden Gate Ventures for a VC fund. All right, Justin. That is Justin. Okay, let's see. So what can we do now with the animations? So animation, fade out, fade in and out, and variables keyframe in and out. So we want to do, what do we want to do? We want to set like a random, so first of all we want to define an animation so that these images, to fix the oval image CSS, do the object fit contain. Oh, thanks man. All right, cool, no people joining. Yeah, so like object fit contain, I will have to like encapsulate the image itself within some like within a div or within a span, and then do object fit contain, because right now the style is applied directly to the image itself, right? So like for example, this image is what 84 by 63. Sorry, no, intrinsic is 640 by 480, right? And so I need to like encapsulate this inside of a div, and either use this image as what am I saying? As a background image, and then object fit contain. Or do you think it will work directly with like if I run it on the img tag object fit contain? See, no, doesn't work. Oh, hold on, you probably cannot see it. So if I run object fit contain, yes, it doesn't really solve the issue, but yeah, but I know will work directly on it. Seriously, you need width and height. Today I learned. Hold on, object fit contain. Okay, so this is the oval. Yeah, hold on. This is the oval image, right? 500 by 300. So object fit contain, and we have width, but it's then dynamic, and we have Oh, I don't have height. That explains it all. Height 6. Yeah, see, but like now you have, I mean, sort of fixes it, but it's like now it cuts it off a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, thanks, man. Nico Fetter. Nico Fetter, is that? I hope I'm not butchering your name too much. But yeah, okay, not bad. Let's start with this. Later we can optimize further. Hold on, and I wanted to copy fade in and out, fade in and out. So image, where's the IMG? Huh? Profile pictures. Right, so width, height, and width. Object fit contain, object fit contain. Dum. Oh, pff, of course. I'm doing it in the wrong place. We can remove this, transition. There we go. A little bit better. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Nico. All right, yeah. Ideally we want to probably use it as a, background image. But for now, this should do. All right, so like now we want to animate this thing so that they like randomly get animated and then deanimate it. Oh, cover. Yes, I was about to say cover. Damn. I didn't know you could apply those things to images directly. This is genius. Thanks, man. Today I learned. If you're looking for a job, I'm hiring. I'm hiring. You can apply to the site. You can apply. We have a front-end full-stack engineer. Basically, I need a person who's gonna kick my ass. And you want to be better. I mean, whoever I'm gonna be hiring for this needs to be better than I am at fixing things. Yeah. So do consider that. Thanks, Nico. Ooh, thank you, sir. This would be interesting. I hope I will be able to afford you. I'm not sure if I will be able to afford you, but let's see. Please apply. I'll give you a shout out either way, Mr. Nico. All right, so let's keep going. So, we need to. So one of the approaches is to. It's gonna cost some DOM re-rendering, but I can like randomly add a class that will animate an image to my images. And then it will trigger the animation. So the animation, what will the animation be? We'll do, let's say, at 100%, we'll do scale. Hold on. Transform scale, right? Oh my God! Why is terminal starting again? Fuck. Fine. Scale 1.1, and then at 0 we'll have scale 1, and then we'll add text shadow, box shadow. My bad. Am I breaking something in? Okay. Hold on. Okay. And then we'll add box shadow. Yeah, this should be a good box shadow. And the box shadow can start at 0 here. Let's say 0, 0, and then this will be also 0. And okay, fade in and out. And now, no. This will be scale. By the way, Nico, are you like you full stack, front end? What kind of stuff do you do? Thanks for watching. Thanks for engaging. Nico, let's look up Nico on Twitter. Nico Fetter. Is this the Nico that is watching Internet Programming, React, Node, and football in Auckland, New Zealand? Let's like his stuff. Let's add Nico to developers. I'm not sure if you blockchain dev, but let's do following for real. Full stack Node.js and React. Yay. Cool, man. Apply for a position. Dun. Nice. I love that I'm getting some engagement here. So thank you guys for following. All right. So what are we doing now? So let's do transform, scale, fade in, out, and this is done through animation. Why are you starting? Why is my terminal just keep starting? I think I clicked something. I keep clicking something or double clicking something and it just starts. Super annoying. Media mentions. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I didn't copy. Logo button. There we go. Scale images. No, scale profile pics. Let's change this keyframe to that as well. Scale profile pics. Ooh, okay. So we can see that they're growing. This is not exactly the behavior I was intending, but I mean, we're getting close. This is working. So now we want to set like 50%. 50%. So I guess this will be our 50% and 100 and so there's this hack of, I think you can write syntax like this, right? And yeah, sort of. But now we just need to make this so that this style is applied to only one image at a time. Or we can do like 100 random delays, not 100, wherever the amount of images that we have, right? Scale profile pics, animate. So first of all, this wants to be infinite linear. Let's say this is linear animation profile pic, and let's say this is animated animation. Hold on. First of all, let's just try like, hold on. Let's try like 1 second and let's see how terrible this would be. Oh, they're like kind of, sort of animated. Okay, so now this will turn off, and now we want to, so like every few seconds we want to check which one is animated, which one's not check, but like, sorry, set change which image is actually animated and which one is not, right? All right, wow, it's been an hour of streaming. An hour a day, an hour on Twitch keeps the doctor away. Let's see how we're doing here. 10K. So this is the main thing for those who just came over here, where I'm celebrating 10K followers on Crypto Jobs List. You know, get your job in crypto industry. Thanks for Epicenter as well for retweeting us. So this is amazing, and yeah, apply to positions. You don't have to be working for CryptoJobs, but that's also gonna be awesome. So one way to it's a pretty good way to get into the crypto industry. Um, yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a shout out, and it's a great way to start working in some other crypto companies. All right. Pum, pum, pum. I'll also have to place like a link here with like previous issues, but I'm still working on that backend because I haven't so far. Whenever I've been sending newsletters, I would just send it and I would not really store the content of that newsletter in the database. And maybe I'll start doing that starting tomorrow. Tomorrow is our weekly newsletter. Yes. All right, so back to business. So we need to figure out how we can animate this so it's kind of a bit more interesting. There's a pure JavaScript way where we add like animated tag randomly faces. So let's see, faces const faces well, I guess whoops. Faces. So probably what I want to be doing here is want to do faces map. So maybe I'll want to just import this whole thing. And oh my god, come on. Why is this so difficult? Oh, here we go. And this whole thing, I'll move into this. Huh? Did I screw something up? Why is this gradient? Okay, hold on. Gradient. Okay, is this the way it should be? Because something looks off. Right, okay, hold on, my bad. Yeah, now it makes sense. Alright, so here we're doing faces, class name, export. Let's just export it right away. Const function faces class name. Class name is really to do we want to yeah, no, I don't want to be supporting this just now. It doesn't really make sense. Faces map, profile picture, display. Okay, so here we'll do, what we will do here is const animated. Hold on, this will be ID, right? Key, let's say this is key. Animated ID, set animated ID, use state 0, and we'll do something like, you guys already know where it's going. React use state animated, and now we'll do, what's the best, like I'm thinking is probably want to do like yeah, use effect, I guess, and then we will create And yeah, so we'll do use effect. And then const interval set interval and now here we'll do something like set animated ID in a range between 0 and faces length, and range we will import range from Lodash range, yes. Okay, and then on we need to return like a destruct, I think, function that will destroy this like clear interval, so that it makes sure that, you know, when we're destroying this faces component, so that it doesn't, you know, so that it clears this interval and it's not like lingering somewhere in the memory. I'm not sure this is the syntax though, so like I need to check somewhere else in my code base if this is how it's done. I remember there was some sort of return thing. Maybe Mr. Nico knows a quick answer to this question. How to basically how to, you know, clean up the use effect. We need to clean up the use effect once we're done using the component. Hold on. How did I do this previously? Fetch use effect. I think there was something that we have to return back. Use effect. Hold on. What an alpha leak! I'm just like sharing almost all of my code base. Don't worry. One day I'll open source all of it. One day. Set timeout. So this time, this is a one-time event. Clean up use effect. All right, I think it's easier to take Google. From Google, clean up use effect. Effect without cleanup. If using classes, use effect. Where's cleanup? Cleanup needs to, I think it returns a function. Cleanup, come on. Oh, here we go. Well, okay, so I did it correctly. Cleanup. Yeah, so yeah, I need to stop doubting myself. Yep, it's the way it's done. Yeah, maybe I can do something like this. Can I? Yeah, I think I should be able to do that. Format document. Yep. I knew it! Fuck, what did I do here? Oh, okay, it took a while to load. So, okay, so now, what are we doing now? We want to be setting, so this animated ID is, oops. I wish I could type animated ID, right? So this is this effect, and now console log, you know, developer's best friend. Class names pages. Hold on. So pages stats, media mentions, range, fetch. I'm trying to like put all non-generic, like, you know, the more abstract the library is or helper, the higher it will be in like import list, and more like specific application, a specific thing. I think like it's a general, I don't know, common thing. I don't know, but that's what I do. It's kind of the logic there. Okay, so now what are we doing here? Set interval const. Okay, range, we have it, range, animate ID. Okay, class names, right, that's what I wanted to do. up, up. Copy this, class names. Yeah, correct. Looks good. Class names. So class names. This is prime time for class names. Class names has these pretty cool thing where you could styles, where you can basically trigger a class effectively based on like Boolean value. Animated, and this is the syntax for that. Hold on, am I screwing something up? True. Mistake is somewhere. Will this work? No, this will not work. Where am I? Hold on. Somewhere I'm screwing up royally. Oh right, yeah. There is no need for this additional animated. And now I think I need to be able to. How do I? It's okay. Hold on. I should. If I want to set a custom key, animated ID, it should be like styles animated, because I'm importing styles animated from here. Animated, right? Oh, here we go. Perfect. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, hold on. And set interval. I haven't set the actual interval. So this should be like maybe 1 second. Right? And now in console. All right, my developer tools hang. Too much things going on in the DOM. Oh, right. Silly me, it's not range, it's like random. Well, not random, but like random in range. True, I think it's like random, or is it random? Is it not random? Between floating in range. In range, right? No. Yeah, so range just creates an array, and then I guess what you want is like is random. Random. Yeah. 0 and 5 floating number. We don't want. Yeah, we just want a integer, right? So instead of range, we'll do random. 43, 57, perfect. Animate ID 57. Perfect. Okay. Now we'll do some magic. Key equals animated ID. Nothing visible here yet. Oh, here we go. I saw something moving. There we go. It moved. So like there's a bunch of images on the left hand side. So see, we saw that one moved. Maybe we should increase like the timeout so that it takes 2 seconds. And also, like, I need to like make sure that the images there don't animate, because we have images there too. So if you look at there is a bunch of images. Or maybe I just can like take half the range and then every value, like make sure that it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's an elegant way to do this? First of all, 2 second interval. Let's start with 2 second interval, and the same thing for 2 second interval for images. And to make it more prominent, we can do like a larger. We can scale it further. Let's see. So some image move there. Oh wow, okay, hold on. I'm loading a bit way too many images. So wow, way too many images. So maybe I should be loading fewer images. Hold on. Way too many images. Yeah, okay, I need to be loading like maybe, let's load 80 images. And yeah, eventually I want to like prevent 80 images, 80, maybe 70. Yeah, I think 70 would be a better number. And there we go. Maybe we want to like animate at least 2 images at the same time, so that it's like maybe polar. I don't know. Maybe what's the best way to do it? So that is like a cool animation. Yeah, you could tell that thing animated. 1.3, and then set interval clear. Yeah, hold on. What am I doing here? This should be like that. Should work. Animista.net. Dude, you're good. Is this like a library with fancy CSS animations in demand? All right. Scale down. Yeah, but like, yeah, I mean, these are kind of individual animations. What we're looking for is like something that, like, you know, makes the whole array sexy. Wow. The whole thing sexy. And to make the whole copy paste code no library. Yeah. Let's see. Where's the library code? Okay, we're nice. Yeah, give them money. All right, slide flip. I wrote slider made. Wow. Drop shadow. Scale up. Well, entrances. Hold on. Basic entrances. Text. Exits. Attention. Nice. I like it. Like when you're like drunk, or when you're like super angry that you lost all your money. You're like, argh! This is the vibrate flicker. Wow. This is like pretty good. Jello. Bounce. Pulsate. Blink. Background. and you have subcategories on those big circles. Oh, right. Okay, sorry, I'm blind. I guess I'm just multitasking, you know? Okay, color change. Nice. Oh, this is sexy. Pulsate. Let's see what the pulsate. I wonder what do you think is the best animation for these guys? So like right now we're kind of animating one at a time. Yeah, maybe I can like start by animating a few at a time, and then we need to like decide what's the cool animation for that. Yeah, right now it's kind of boring. It's like needs like, yeah, as you said, some pop. We'll say bounce. Bounce bottom, bottoms left, bottoms right. Bounce wobble. Yeah, I'm not sure wobble is what we're looking for. We're looking for something like, you know, not just stressful. Row sliding like a carousel. Yeah, I was considering doing that, but like, you know, having continuous slide on all these faces, I was a bit too late. Yeah, it's a bit complex. Like I was like, you know, it's too much. The ROI on this is not that crazy high. I mean, it's cool if you have a lot of time in it, or you already done it and you just like copy paste it. But man, like being one man team, it's like too many other priorities to work on. It's crazy. Let's try pulsate. Ping. Let's try this. Oh wow, holy shit. FreeBSD, does it mean that I need to like mention it? MIT, I think I can like do whatever I want, but like FreeBSD, I'm not sure. Can I just copy paste and just pretend, you know, that, you know, this never happened? Yeah, can I do this? Pretend that I wrote this myself? No. Will these guys, will enemies touch me? Alright, hold on. We're back. Ping. Oh right, so I can do this whole thing. Let's see. Let's do this, and now here we can do. Oh right. Ping. Okay. Yeah, a bit annoying. Look at this. Like, I mean, yeah, ping. This worked. But it looked a bit. Yeah, I need to like decide on some better. Pulsate, yeah, maybe this pulsate. Let's see. Pulsate forward. What? Okay, so this might be a challenge. No, this did it work. Wish me luck. Did everything break? Undefined, of course. Pulsate. Let's do camel case. Pulsate. Yeah, okay, pulsate, not too bad. Okay, now we need to do like some random, so that it's like not just one place, but it's multiple places. And the way we do that is we let's do something like this. Or key is equal to maybe divided by 2 math round divided by 2. Hold on, sorry, we can do this magic. Is it animating 2 objects at the same time? Okay, yes it does. Okay, let's see the results. I'm not sure divided by 2 is the right approach, but it's sort of maybe okay, hold on, my bad. 2 seconds is too long. We need to turn into 1 second. There we go. Much success. Look at this beauty. Okay, let's see how this will approximately look like on mobile. Yeah, we're getting there. Scale. Am I okay? Just want to make sure that I'm not editing anywhere else. Scale 1 point. Let's say 1.4. Wow, a bit extreme. A bit too extreme. Yeah. I feel like I should stick with the default option. Scale pictures. They're a bit like calm, you know, like it's a bit more. Did I break it? I think I did. Scale pics. Oh, sorry, animated. My bad. Wrong class. Animated. Yeah, this needs to be like 1 second. Maybe it shouldn't be linear, it should be like easy in and out. What are the options that we have? Ease in and out. And I guess we want to like do Z index. Z index 1. Oops. Okay, overdid it, my bad. That's not what I meant. Z index 10. Shit. Okay, Z index 1. Okay, so I need to make sure that this gradient thing that I have is where's my gradient? Z index maybe 10. Fuck. Maybe 2. And the H1 is Z index maybe 10. There we go. Now we're talking. Yeah, alright. It's a bit too fast, I'd say. And my face looks pretty depressing, I guess, when I'm not smiling. This streaming thing is pretty hard, right? Like you need to be entertaining, you need to be funny, you need to provide value, educational content that hope I'll improve over time. Thanks, man. Thanks, Nico. Consider applying to the position. I'll give you a shout out. Thanks, man. All right. I think we're gonna proceed with, yeah, I'll just gotta commit this. Let's see. Subscribe. Huge success. Look at this. Confetti. All right, cool. So I think we are ready to launch this. So let me clean up some bit of a CSS here. Pulsate. All right. Shout out to Nico for helping. It's been pretty good. Finalizing push, deploying to prod. Let's see. I'm back with some water. The good news, this bottle is not green enough for it to disappear on screen. I think a few days ago I was streaming and I had like a green bag that I basically just, invisible space because of the green alpha, what it's called, chroma key. Yeah, chroma key. You could not see through it. And yeah, it basically looks like my background. Let's see what's going on here. Hold on. Sorry, I'm yawning. It's it's 9 p.m. and I had a pretty long day. Yeah, thanks guys for following. We're excited to have 10,000 followers finally. Still building. Well, yeah, I'm yawning full on. All right, how's our deploy going? created 3 minutes ago. Is this my reply? Are we live? Okay, let's see. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Huge success. Huge success. If I refresh the page, what will happen? Yeah, not bad. Pretty good. Need to tweet about it. How does it, by the way, how does the preview looking like? Go to Jobs newsletter. We are sending out top, we send top opportunities, top crypto jobs, and oh my god, this is the worst. I hate writing. That's why I have a copywriter that I need to delegate this to. Well, okay. I need to be getting rest. Every week we send. Okay, I'm just gonna tweet this and then I'm off. Every week we send a letter. Every week we send a letter with the top opportunities in crypto, DeFi, and NFT companies. We send a letter with the top newsletter. So every week we send. What's the best way? What's like the most marketing? Not the most marketing, but like the personal way of saying this for people. Every week we send a letter, the top opportunities with the top opportunities in crypto, DeFi, NFT companies. Maybe we should do something like apply, subscribe, apply, get hired. It's like too marketing. People hate too markety. People hate that. People want like genuine, authentic content. Okay. So there's this issue. Hold on. I'm doing so much off topic right now. Discard, delete. Need to repost this. Is it better? Come on. Yay! Huge success. Post. What? Hold on. Page updates, documents, page updates. This is crazy. Every week we send a letter with the top opportunities and sign up. Hey, every week, hey, every week we send a letter with the top opportunities in crypto, DeFi, and NFT companies. One of the best ways to get alert alpha in one of the best ways to get alpha in this frothy. How do you spell frothy? And I think I need to set this on a weekly basis. Sign up for free. If you sign up for free, that's what people will buy them. Get alpha. Get it, sign up now. Subscribe now. Yeah, sure, should do. All right, so like now let's set yay. Let's set a weekly weekly. What can we set? A weekly. Weekly application received newsletter. Yeah, like a weekly tweet. Sorry, it took me forever to say that. Hold on. What we want to do is that duplicate weekly newsletter sign up reminder job. Wow. Whew. Okay, we want to delete all this. Oh my god, what did I just do? Text const. There we go. Nice. Okay, so and now we want to do something like every Thursday. No, and this will do every disabled fourth frequency every what 10 a.m. On Thursday, on Wednesday. So we can do this Wednesdays. Hold on, we had some like weekly salary job, right? So we have this Twitter service. Oh, it's a thread. Cool. Okay, hold on. I don't have to be doing a thread, but I just can do just one. But text. Is this in a sync? Okay, it is a sync. Thread. Format document. Okay, that's good. And we also want to post this on Twitter service and probably like on LinkedIn. Okay, here we go. We have a post. LinkedIn, Reddit. Do you want to do Reddit? I don't know. If you want to Reddit. What image? You don't need an image? I don't know. I don't think so. Status. Status is where it's at. Link. Hold on. What did I do wrong here? URL body. Post. Of course. So we need to close brackets because we're no longer in the text. Link. Wait, hold on. Why is this? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with the link? Why do you not like link format? Why is link highlighted? Expected. Okay, here we go. Cool, this should work. Disabled false. All right, cool. Twitter service. Follow K2I. Well, actually, just let's go about Twitter service. Client, Twitter client thread. Post, client post. We don't have a simple post. No, we don't. Anyway, can do a thread. Cool. Yeah, looks good. And API jumps. Push. All right, okay. We're done for today. Thank you all for hanging around. And those of you who stayed the longest are the best. I really appreciate you guys. Logs. And I'll try to do this more often. So far it's been super spontaneous. So make sure to like and subscribe. Just subscribe, okay? You don't have to like it, but basically, yeah, subscribe. I'm kind of sort of spontaneous about this. So yeah, I'll kind of streaming around this time every now and then. So hopefully I'll be doing this more often. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Please comment or DM me. What can I do better? I would love to improve. All right. Thank you.